Working through the loft properly has changed the roof and dormer arrangement. The brief is still to turn this bungalow into a functioning family home with a first floor. To make the loft rooms work, the main roof has now been raised by a further 300 mm. That gives more headroom and helps the circulation rather than forcing the bedrooms into awkward roof space. On the front, a second box dormer has been added over the garage side. That balances the upper floor and helps the front bedrooms become usable rooms, not leftover loft areas. At the rear, the earlier gable feature has gone. The single-storey roof now runs full width from left to right at 15 degrees. Above it, one wider rear box dormer gives 3 windows, with the bedroom windows aligned over the lounge and kitchen bifold doors below, and a central bathroom window. From the entrance hall, the lounge bifolds frame a view through to the garden.